So let's start again. We will ruin Misty. Hindi mo kong gibagsak, ha? Find the mouse trap and place it on the table to torture Misty. Okay, I'll take a challenge. I'll take a challenge. Sa tawag na? I'll take a challenge. Okay. Hindi na tayo mag-Tagalog, mag-Bisaya, mag-English. Mag-Bisaya pa. Find the mouse trap and place it on the table to torture Misty. Misty is my teacher and she gave me 75 grades. So that's why my father hurt me. He sumbag my face. Okay. We will torture Misty. Okay, let's start. Pangit, trabakid naong. Pleasan, timong naong, pleasan, pangit. Okay. I will torture you. Misty. Wait, just wait. Just wait, I will torture you. Okay.